Hello, children. Welcome back to the next class. Yes, I hope you are busy in completing your homeworks, right? Yes, children, complete it daily, okay? Whatever we are giving in the WhatsApp group, complete it day by day, okay? Very good. Okay, so in our previous classes, we have finished third unit, right? What is our third unit? Yes, what is the third unit? What is a tree? Right? We have finished what is a tree and also the Lion King, right? Okay, now we are not going to fourth lesson, children. Let me clear you. We are now I want to teach you second lesson, okay? Okay, now open the page number 19. 19, open the page number 19. Second lesson. You see the second lesson. What is the second lesson name? What is the second unit? The pancake. What is the second unit, children? The pancake. What is pancake, children? Pancake. What is pancake? Pancake ante enti? What is pancake? Pancake. It is a flat cake. It is thin and it is round. Yes, it is made up of milk and eggs. Okay. Yes, what we call I think we call it as palakadalu in Telugu. Palakadalu attu. So no, that is pancake. Okay, palakadalu anukunta naaku telisi. Okay, palakadalu attu or attu, not attu but palakadalu. Okay, it's the pancake. Okay, so our lesson is about the pancake. What is the lesson name? The pancake. Now see, look at the picture and answer the questions given below. Wow, see children. Wow, what can we see in the picture? Wow, there are different items, right? Delicious items. Yes, by looking itself my mouth is watering. Yummy, delicious items we can see here, right? Yes, one woman is preparing something on the stove, and the other woman is holding a big pan of laddus, right? See, this boy is having laddu and she is preparing something, and we have different items here. Yes or no? Yes. What is happening in the picture? Tell me, what is happening in the picture, children? Yes, they are preparing pastry dishes. They are preparing what? Pastry dishes. Pastry dishes means పిండి వంటలు. ఓకే, పిండి వంటలు ఇంగ్లీష్లో మనం ఏమంటాం? పేస్ట్రీ డిషెస్. ఓకే, దే ఆర్ ప్రిపేరింగ్ పేస్ట్రీ డిషెస్. సి next, name the food items you see in the picture. What food items we can see in the picture? Here we have laddus. I think they are pancakes, I think so. No? Yes, murkulu, chegudalu, appalu. Yes or no? Yes, some crispy rings and ringulu, rice crackers, chegudalu. Yes or no? We can see all here, right? Yes, నోరు ఊరుతుంది కదా చూడగానే. Yes, what my mouth is watering. Yes, so we can see all pastry dishes here. Pastry dishes, pindi vantalu. Okay, next, which of these food items do you like? Which of these food items you like? What type of food item you like? I like laddus a lot here. You too like your favorite dishes, right? Yes. So listen to your teacher as she did. So now we have to go to appendix, page number, back side. You have back side appendix, right? Open the page number. Yes, open the page number 112. Open the page number 112. We'll see the pancake. Okay, see, it was a holiday. What it was? It was a holiday. It was a holiday. All the children went to garden to play. Yes, it was a holiday. All the children went to garden to play. They started playing games. Some children enjoyed playing hide and seek. Okay, it was a holiday. What happens if you get a holiday? Yes, you all play, right? You all go to your friends' places or their homes and you all play together, right? Here also there was a holiday and all the children went to garden to play. They started playing what? They started playing games. You all play games, right? On a holiday. Yes, then some children enjoyed playing hide and seek. What is hide and seek, children? You know hide and seek? Dagudu Mutalu, Daskunudu. Tree Mantunde. Yes. They started playing hide and seek. Some liked skipping. You know skipping? Yes. Some liked skipping. Some are playing skipping. Some liked hopscotch. What is hopscotch? తొక్కుడు బిల్ల తెలుసు కదా some are playing hopscotch తొక్కుడు బిల్ల okay. They climbed trees, they ate fruit, they jumped, they ran, they chased friends. What they are doing? They climbed the trees. What you do? What naughty friends or naughty children do? They climb trees, right, in the garden. Yes, and then you pick up the fruits which are fell on the ground. Then you throw stones at the fruits, yes or no? Yes. So they ate fruits. Who ate fruits, children? The children ate fruits, and they jumped, they ran, they chased friends, they are jumping, running, chasing friends, everything they are doing. All morning they laughed and played. Okay, all morning they laughed and they played. Now it was afternoon. Yes or no? After morning it comes afternoon. Yes or no? Afternoon, midday. Yes, now it was midday, afternoon. They were tired, they were hungry. Children stopped playing. What happens? Morning you eat something and you go out and you play, but afternoon you get hungry, right? You feel hungry. So what here also the people you become tired after playing a lot. Yes or no? So here also children become tired after playing from morning, and they were hungry, so they stopped playing. One boy said, "I am hungry." One boy is saying that I am hungry means I want to eat something. Hungry, you know, akali. A girl said, "I am also hungry, let's go home. My mother will make doshas for me," said one child. They began walking back to their homes. So one girl is saying that I am feeling hungry. One boy is also saying, "I am also feeling hungry, so let's go home. My mother will make doshas for me." Okay, so they all started going back to their houses. Okay, you open the pancake, page number 19. So tell me one thing. When our mothers do this everything, the dishes, the items which we can see here, when did they prepare? Yes, when there is a festival or something function in our houses. Yes or no? On functions or in festival days, our mamas prepare these pastry dishes, right? Yes. So here I'll ask you the questions and you answer me. What day was it? We already know. What was the day? Holiday. It was a holiday where children are playing. Yes or no? So it was a holiday. What different things did the children do in the garden? Yes, they went into the garden and they started playing. What they did? They're playing, they're jumping, they're running, they're playing skipping. Yes or no? Hide and seek. They like hopscotch. Yes or no? They're chasing and they are eating fruits. They're climbing trees. So no, children? Yes. Next, why did the children stop playing? Because it was afternoon and they were tired and they felt hungry, so they stopped playing. What would you ask your mother to make when you are hungry? Yes, tell me, what would you ask your mama when you are hungry to eat? I mean, when you are hungry, what you ask your mama to do to prepare something? Yes, Maggie. Yes or no? Maggie, some type of items, snacks items. Yeah, sorry for the disturbance, children. You all know. Yes, when train moves, we get the sounds here in the school. Yes or no? Yes, so here, what would you ask your mama? Yes, you ask to make some Maggie or some type of doshas, yes or no, attu, something, whatever it is, whatever item you like, you ask your mama to make it when you are hungry, right? Yes, see. Now, open the page 20, the pancake. See the lesson. Once upon a time, there was a good woman who had 7 hungry children. Oh, see, once upon a time, there was a woman. See here, there is a woman who had how many children? Ammo, 7 hungry children. See, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Once upon a time there was a woman. She is a woman. She had how many children? 7 children who was hungry. One day, children, put your finger on the line. One day she was frying a pancake for them. See here, she's frying a pancake. Okay, pancake she's frying for the 7 children. See, it was a sweet milk pancake. Yes, it was a sweet milk pancake, a pancake which is made up of sugar and milk. Okay, the 7 children were waiting with hungry eyes. So these 7 children are looking at the pancake with hungry eyes, and they are looking at the pancake. Oh, give me a bit of pancake, dear mother, said the first children. So, said one of the children. Okay, the first children is telling that, oh, give me a bit of pancake. Koncham naku pancake you, mummy. So next, oh dear darling mother, said the second child. Now what second child is saying? Oh dear darling mother, give me some pancake. Next, third, oh dear darling good mother, said the third. Oh dear darling good nice mother, said the fourth. Oh dear darling pretty good nice mother, said the fifth. Oh dear darling pretty good nice clever mother, said the sixth. Oh dear darling pretty good nice clever sweet mother, said the seventh one. So what all they are trying to do is they are talking sweetly with the mother. Why? Because to get the pancakes. Yes or no? One is telling a darling mother, the other is telling darling good mother, someone is telling good nice mother. So they are talking very sweetly with the mother. Now if you want some money, if you want to buy something outside, what you ask your mother? Yes, mama, please give me 1 rupee, please give me money, I want to buy something. But if your mama gives only 1 rupee, what you do? You stay at your mother, you look at your mother and, mummy, you're so beautiful, mummy, please give me 1 more. Yes or no? You talk sweetly so that you can get some more money from your mama. In the same way, these all 7 children are talking very sweetly to their mother to get more and more pancakes. Okay, so they all begged for the pancake, each one more sweetly than the other. So they all begged their mother to get pancakes, and they are asking their mother very sweetly to get more and more pancakes. Mother said, just wait a bit till it turns itself. What mother said? Please wait for a bit till it turns itself. In the sense, కొంచెం ఆగండి, అది దానిచ్చదే మలుగుతుంది. Okay, just wait a bit till it turns itself. Okay, mother said that, just wait for a bit till it turns itself. Then the pancake was quite surprised to hear what she said. Here see, pancake was surprised to hear what mother said. What mother said? Just wait a bit till it turns itself. Does the pancake turn by itself? No, we have to turn the pancake. It can't turn itself, right? Yes, so we have to turn. But after mother said that sentence, the pancake was surprised to hear. Then what did it do? The pancake jumped up in the air and landed on its other side, where it sizzled a bit. What it did? It jumped and it landed on the other side. Yes, so what happened? After listening to that mother, this pancake jumped into the air and landed on the other side, where it sizzled a bit. Sizzled in the sense, what is sizzled? Making sounds when frying. If mama fries anything in the kitchen, the sounds which comes are known as sizzled. Okay, చిట్పట్ అని అంటారు కదా ఇప్పుడు మన మమ్మీ వాళ్ళు ఏదైనా ఫ్రై చేసినప్పుడు. Yes, that sound is known as sizzled. Then it jumped again so high that it landed on the floor. Okay, so it jumped in the air and landed on the other side, and it jumped so high and it landed on the floor. Then the pancake rolled out of the door. Yes, it was rolled out and tirigi it went outside the door. Oh pancake, stop pancake, cried the woman. Here the woman is shouting at the pancake by saying, oh pancake, stop pancake. But the pancake isn't stopping. And she chased it with the frying pan in one hand and the ladle in the other. See, while a pancake is rolling out of the door and it is moving, the mother is also chasing it అంటే దీని వెనకాలనే పరిగెడుతుంది by catching one frying pan in one hand and the ladle in the other hand. This wooden item is ladle. Okay, she ran as fast as she could. She's running back of pancake. Stop that pancake, stop that pancake, shouted mother. The mother is shouting, stop that pancake. But the pancake rolled on and on until the woman could no longer see it. So now what happened? The pancake rolled on and on until the woman could not longer see it. Yes, it went away, it vanished. Okay, the woman couldn't see the pancake. It rolled on and on so that the woman couldn't see it. Okay, next, on the way the pancake met a man. Now the pancake went away, right? So the woman couldn't see it. Woman ki kanpinchaledu. The pancake rolled and went somewhere. So while on the way the pancake met a man. Good day pancake, said the man. The same to you, Mani Pani, said the pancake. So the man, what that man is telling pancake, that it is wishing it. By saying, good day pancake. So the man wished the pancake, good day pancake. In that return, the pancake said that, same to you, Mani Pani, said the pancake. Dear pancake, don't roll so fast. Stop a while. Let me take a bite of you. So what that man is saying, don't roll so fast. Don't go so fast. Let me take one bite. Take a bite of you. Bite in the sense, ఒక్క ముక్క కొరికనివ్వు, ఒక ముక్క తిననివ్వు. Okay, who is telling that? Yes, the man is telling the pancake to not to roll so fast. Stop a while so that he can take a bite of it. But the pancake did not stop. It rolled and called out, I have rolled away from Goody Pudi and her 7 children, and I shall roll away from you too, Mani Pani. So what pancake is saying, see, that woman and their 7 children also wanted to eat pancake, right? So what it is telling to that man, I rolled and called out, I've rolled away from this Goody Pudi and her 7 children. It is calling this woman as Goody Pudi. Okay, from this I have escaped from this Goody Pudi and her 7 children. They also wanted to eat me, but I escaped from there. I rolled away from there. So now I will roll away from you also. I don't want you to bite me, Mani Pani. Yes, next, turn the page. Then the pancake rolled on and on. Now it met a hen. First it met a man, right? Next it met a hen. See here, this is a pancake, here hen, and it's chickens. Now you see, good day pancake, said the hen. Again, as the man said, hen is also wishing the pancake, good day pancake. The same to you, Henny Penny, said the pancake. Now pancake is saying, the same to you, Henny Penny. Sweet pancake, don't roll so fast. Please stop for a while. Let me have a pick at you. Now what hen is also saying, please pancake, don't go so fast. Don't roll so fast. Stop for some time. I want to peck at you. Means it also want to eat the pancake. Next, but the pancake did not stop. Does it stop? No. Did it stop? No. Yes, the pancake rolled and rolled. As it rolled, it called out. Again, it is saying to hen that I have rolled away from Goody Pudi and her 7 children and Mani Pani, and I shall roll away from you too, Henny Penny. Now this pancake is calling hen as a Henny Penny. Yes or no? So who wanted to eat this pancake? The children and the woman. So what it is saying? The children and the woman also wanted to eat me. I rolled out from there. Then the Manny Panny also wanted to eat me. I rolled out from him. Now I will roll away from you too, Henny Penny. Okay. Yes. Next on the way, the pancake rolled down the road like a wheel. So it is rolling like a wheel down to the road. Then it met a duck. First he met a man, then he met a hen, then it met a duck. Now what it is saying? Good day pancake, said the duck. Now the duck is also saying that good day pancake. The same to you, ducky lucky, said the pancake. Now the pancake is calling duck as ducky lucky. What it is saying? The same to you, ducky lucky. Yes, pancake dear, don't roll away so fast. Wait a bit so that I can eat you up. Now again duck is telling to the pancake that don't go so fast. I want to eat you. But the pancake did not stop. Again, but the pancake did not stop. As it rolled, it called out, I have rolled away from Goody Poody and her 7 children. Yes or no? First, Goody Poody and the 7 children. Next, Manny Panny means the man. And the Henny Penny. Henny Penny means hen. And I shall roll away from you too, Ducky Lucky. And the pancake rolled along faster than ever. So they all are trying to eat pancake, yes or no? So it rolled out and it is rolling on and out and out. Next you see. It came to the edge of a forest. There stood a pig. He came to the edge of a forest, in the sense to the corner of the forest. So there is a pig. See here. Good day pancake, said the pig. Again, pig is wishing pancake as good day pancake. Then the same to you, piggy wiggy, said the pancake. Again, pancake replied to the pig that same to you, good day to you also, piggy wiggy. Don't be in such a hurry, said the pig. The forest is dangerous. Let's walk together. Oh, here the hen, the man, the duck, what they said? Don't roll so fast. Wait for some time. I want to eat you. So no, they wanted to eat the pancake. So they said they want to eat you. But what did the pancake tell them? The pancake said, yes, the Goody Poody and 7 children wanted to eat me. The Manny Panny wanted to eat me. The Henny Penny also wanted to eat me. And the Ducky Lucky also wanted to eat me. So it ran so fast, right? It rolled along faster. Next, here what this pig is telling the pancake. This forest is so dangerous. Yes or no? Forest is dangerous. We can see dangerous animals in the forest. Lion, tiger, everything lives in the forest, right? So the piggy wiggy is telling that pancake, don't be in hurry. You don't run away. Let's walk together. It is asking pancake to walk with it. And the pancake thought that might be true. Sorry children. It rolled along beside the pig for a while. They came to a lake. The pig jumped into the water and began to swim across. So what happened? What did the pig tell the pancake? It is forest. It is so dangerous. So don't roll faster. Let's walk. Yes or no? So the pancake wanted to walk with pig. Here the pig and the pancake walked for a while. Till some distance they walked. Okay. So there they reached near a lake. Lake you know already, Cheruvu. So they came to the lake. The pig jumped into the water. When they went near the river, when they went near the lake, what did the pig do? The pig jumped into the lake and it started swimming. What about me? Cried the pancake. Now what pancake is asking? It can't swim, right? Pancake can't swim. So what about me, piggy wiggy? It is crying. Oh, you just sit on my nose, said the pig. Now what pig is saying? It is telling to sit on its nose. I'll carry you across. So the pancake sat on the pig's long nose. Ayyo. Now what the pancake is doing? It wanted to cross the river, but it can't cross the river. So it heard the pig's words, and what it is doing? It is It is sitting on the pig's long nose. The pig tossed the pancake up into the air and out, off. The pig swallowed the pancake in 3 bites. Ayyo, what happened? The pig is not a good one. It is bad one, right? Yes, it wanted to eat pancake, but it did not ask it straightly. It said that. Yes, first it said that they wanted to take a walk. Yes or no? Yes, they walked for a while, and then it cunningly, what the pig did, the pig jumped into it wantonly took the pancake near the river, and it told the pancake that it can help pancake in crossing the river, the lake, and it wanted to eat it. The pig wanted to eat it, right? That's why what it said to pancake to sit on the pig's long nose, and the pancake believed the pig, and it sat on the pig's nose. And what that pig did? The pig tossed the pancake and it ate it in 3 bites. Ayyo! Since the pancake went no further, the story can go no further either. So here the story is end. The story has come to an end. Now it can't roll, right? Because the pig already ate it. First, it rolled out from home, from this woman, right? Yes, from the Goody Pudi. It rolled out from the Goody Pudi and her 7 children. And then it rolled out from the man, and it rolled out from the Henny Penny, and also it rolled out from the Ducky Lucky, and here it got stuck with the pig. So this pig is so cunningly ate the pancake. So this is the end of the story. As pancake doesn't go further, the story can't go further. Okay, so you should not, by this lesson, what did you understand? You should not trust anybody easily. Okay, you should not trust. You have to do your work. Okay, you have to trust only your mama and papa. Here this pig cunningly wanted to gain the trust of the pancake, and then it ate it. Okay, the pancake trusted the pig, right? It did not trust this everyone. Yes, because they straightly told them to give a bite from it. But here pig did not tell that it wanted to eat it, but it kept the pancake in some puzzle, and at the end he ate the pancake. Okay. Yes, so at the end the pig ate the pancake, and this is the end of the story. We'll continue the next topic in the next lesson. Okay.